everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Best Buy credit card. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the search box at the top, type in Best Buy credit card login and press enter. From the search result on the next page, click on this first link that says Best Buy credit card login or apply. Soon after you click on that link, you'll be able to see a sign-in area displayed on the screen. Go ahead and type in your user ID in the first text box. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID, click on Remember My User ID box beneath. But make sure to leave it unchecked if you're using a public device or a shared device. Go to the password text box and type in your password correct as well. In case you don't remember your password or your user ID, click on Retrieve User ID or Reset Password link respectively, and you'll be able to get hold of your account. If you've not registered your credit card yet, click on Register Your Card and follow the on-screen prompts. After entering your credentials correct, click the Sign On button and you'll be able to log into your Best Buy credit card right away. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.